Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Today, I'm going to update you with what's going on with my learning process. I started to learn more about pandas in Python, and the thing is about pandas, there are like a lot of things, a lot of stuff. The the way that you're supposed to code or write your code in pandas is a little bit different than what I'm used to so far with Python. That's why it's so complicated to me. The thing about pandas is there are a lot of details. I mean, as a concept, it's like understandable. I get it. It's to work with like sheets, something about like SQL related things, or that shape, that type of sheets where you have rows and columns, and you try to collect information or get some information. You try to add more information, add columns. I mean, as a concept, it is very understandable, but the problem is that I'm facing right now is it's just so a lot of different things to write down as a code. Like I understand the concept, I understand what should I do, I understand the idea, I understand the problem and how we can solve it, but when it comes down to writing the actual code, that is my problem because it's just like a lot of different things. Especially as you can see in the screen right now is the Lambda. It's very, I wouldn't say very complicated, but when it comes down in a context where you add column and then there is a condition about this column, and then you need to access another two columns to know the answer for the new column, if it's true or false, or if you want to add two numbers together, or I don't know, like a lot of cases. So the thing is, it's just a lot to digest. This is so much for someone like me as a beginner who know nothing about programming. Not the idea, not the concept, I understand, but what's so hard for me is to write the actual code. That makes me like every time that I want to write a code, I need to go back to Google and then search how can I add a new column. And then when I remember that, I want to do something else and I need to Google that. And I have another task and need to Google that as well. It's just hard to remember all of these blocks of code. It's hard to remember for every task what should you write because there is no pattern. They just you go random codes. You just write random codes. Maybe there is pattern that I didn't know about it yet. That is possible. But I don't know. I'm just like sharing with you what I'm going through right now. I wish that you can subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and write down in the comment section anything that might help me make my learning experience easier. And I promise you, I'm gonna share whatever that I'm going through with you. Maybe any of the things, any of the resources that I'm seeing might be helpful for you. I'll leave many links in the description, might be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.